It's about the future of healthcare. So we have approximately 200 healthcare practitioners, investors and advisors coming along.
We're going to be talking to investors and owner-occupiers. They are now gravitating towards the healthcare sector as they're now starting to see the healthcare industry as a safe haven.
So Melbourne's growing at a much faster rate than anyone had anticipated.
We're seeing more and more Asian buyers looking at healthcare and medical assets because they see it as a very defensive and safe asset class. We've been able to educate these buyers.
An ageing population, that's one of the main reasons why you're starting to see so much growth within the healthcare industry, in particular aged care.
So when we look at structuring an investment, there are a number of assets that we consider protecting.
The world's in an interesting space at the moment and there's a lot of liquidity and kind of cap rates are at all-time lows. The really good thing about being in the healthcare sector is that it has very, very strong fundamentals, particularly in Australia.
The Australian healthcare sector is one of the country's highest performing sectors economically.
You can just look out the windows here at the moment and see those cranes in the sky, and a lot of that has to do with residential development.
Events like this are a fantastic way to educate and get people into that space as well that haven't traditionally bought medical centres. The more we can educate, the better it is for vendors.
We generate a capital gain of $1 million. You're paying tax at $235,000, which is roughly half the rate you would pay if you held it through a company.
CBRE has a dedicated, specialised team. They service the healthcare industry, the aged care market, and we're the only agency in Australia at the moment that has that specialisation